Welcome. Question 40. In the diagram, P, Q, R, and S are points on the circle with center O. The angle at QRS is 5x, and that of the angle at QOS is 6x plus 24. We have to find QPS. All right, this angle. Before we can find this angle, we first need to know the value of x that we can use. Now I am going to focus on the angle at the center subtended by the measure at QS. It make an angle at the center here. The same QRS make the angle 5x we are seeing there. So first thing first, I am going to say the reflex angle that we are having at the center, which is QOS, will be equals to 2 times the 5x degree. Angle at the center is twice the one at the circumference. So that will give you a total of 10x or degree. Now, if I look at that also, angles at a point. So angles meeting at a point, if you add them, you should be having 360. That angle is the obtuse angle here and the reflex angle all meet at a point. So what is the reflex angle? We had as what? 10x. The obtuse angle here at the center is 6x plus 24, also give us what? 360 degrees. We need to add the 10x and the 6x to have 16x equals to 360 minus what? 24. I think this will give you 336. It is the x we are interested in, therefore 336 divided by what? 16. We can check that on our calculator. 336 divided by 16, that will give you 21. Meaning the value of x is 21. Now, what do we need? We are looking for the angle here. That angle plus the 5x will be giving us 180. They are supplementary. It is the opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. So here I'll be having this angle now will be, okay, let's say. So if the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral add up to what? 180, then it means that the 5x, which is now going to be 21, plus the angle I am asked to find, and the QPS will give you 180 degrees. So fast forward, the angle QPS will be equals to 180 minus, this will be 105. So if you subtract that, you should be left with only what? 75 degrees. So let's check the option. I think that will be the option A at 75 degrees. This will not be the only properties or the theorems that can be applicable. There are several ones you can use to get the same answer. Try them and share your thoughts in the comment section. If this is clear, like, share, comment, and subscribe.